All right, so I'm finishing the last couple of touches to getting ready. As I said in the beginning, guys, we are going to be riding around DFW. We're going to be shooting another episode of A Day in the Life with Ani the Agent. So we've got a lot in store today, from touring a house to going to an open house to doing a listed episode and more. So we're about to go ahead and get going. I'm going to finish up getting ready, and then we're going to head out to the real estate mobile. Let's go. Excited. This is some of the exciting part of being an agent. You kind of just get the chance to, meet new people and help them through this first time of buying a home. So I'm excited. It's really going to be a good thing, and let's go ahead and head to Irving. In the meantime, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about what we're going to be doing today. So our first listing is going to be going over to Irving to show a house. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home listed for $299,900. I'm really excited about seeing that one. And then after that, we're going to be heading over to Dallas to shoot a listed episode. Not Dallas, Frisco. So we're going to be going over to Frisco. You guys know Frisco a little bit based on if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram. I did a clip of me doing a closing at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium. That was in Frisco, so we're gonna be going over towards that side of town. Love Frisco. You guys gonna love it too. And then after that, we might have a nice little showing out in Grand Prairie. I'm waiting on the client to confirm. That's one thing about Saturdays, guys. Your Saturday goes literally like it just goes with the flow. So be ready whenever and wherever. So I'm just gonna be ready. It's scheduled for 4:30, but if anything, we'll just hit the reschedule, but we get to see another nice house. So we are on the way to Irving, as I said, and then once we get there, I'm gonna hop out, do this showing, and then we'll be headed to Frisco. So stay along for the ride and let's go. Showing that house in Irving. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It was really nice. I showed it to one of my clients who is actually looking to buy. I've been working with him for a little while now. It's been quite a while. I want to say maybe 6 or 7 months. So he's actually ready to go ahead and start looking. He's been pre-approved. So I kind of just opened the door for him and let him feel the ambiance of the house. Really liked it, but just didn't necessarily like the flow of the bedroom. So for him, we might have to do a little bit more looking, which is okay. My main priority is just being there so you guys can walk the house and get the experience. So we'll probably be seeing more things in the near future. In the midst of showing him the home, though, I did have another person come in, and he was kind of skeptical, but I said, hey, I'm here. Let's, I'm gonna open the door, come on in. And he came in, and he was actually looking to just kind of see what's out there. I mean, he just popped up to see the open house, but he was a couple of minutes early, so I was still there, and he kind of just got the feeling of the house, and he really liked it. Long story short, he was basically telling me about how he sold his home to get out of, to sell his house, and then he moved into an apartment just to hate his apartment. So he's now looking to end up purchasing another house, and so I kind of just talked him into it, let him know the process, and it's always good. I was prepared at the right time and in the right place, so I was ready to just go ahead and do the showing, and I did that. In the midst of showing him the house, I got his phone number and his contact information. A family walks in and they're also looking to see the home. So I ended up showing them the house. I got their contact information, gave them a business card. So as I always say, guys, it is very important to be prepared for any and everything, and to also just be ready to get into it, okay? Because at the end of the day, you might have a person who just pops up and you might not be prepared for it, but know your listing, know the details of the house that you're getting ready to show, and show them the house. I mean, it's as simple as that. And being in the right place at the right time, you end up getting possibly 3 buyers. So now we're getting ready to head over to Frisco to shoot our listed episode. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be bomb. And we're gonna go ahead and get into that. So let's ride on over, and when we get there, I'll see you guys then. Then could I have extra pickles, and could I add ketchup and mustard onto that?
The one that's hot?
Yes.
Okay.
And then could I do a Coke with no, or I'm sorry, can I do a Dr. Pepper with no ice?
All right.
What do you want? Thank you. All right. Take a little sneak peek in there. You can feel the heat rising out the bag.
Ooh.
Yep, we see both burgers in there. Got the extra sauce. You can feel the heat rising out the bag. The baggy bag. Yep.
Man.
You already know. I don't play about the food. I'm about to grub. All right, so now that we got our food, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Frisco. You kind of gotta eat and drive type situation, because when you're on the move, these are the things you gotta do. Gotta make sacrifices. So we are about to head over to Frisco, and yeah. So guys, let's stay tuned for the ride. First thing we're going to do, we have arrived to the listing in Frisco. This is a $900,000 house that we're going to be touring today for our listed episode. So first thing we're going to do is open the door. So I'm going to give you guys like a showing almost. So walk with me to open the door, and voila, we can walk in. Okay, so now that we've made it inside the home, I'm going to get ready to shoot the listed episode. But first, we need to go out to the car to get the equipment. But I'm gonna give you guys a little kind of sneak peek of the house. This home is literally so exquisite. It's a gem, okay guys? It's located in the perfect spot. I'm gonna be doing a listed episode here, so make sure you guys click that link to tour the episode, guys. Why wouldn't you wanna do it? There's a pool. I mean, there's so much to see that you don't wanna miss. So make sure that you guys check it out, and I'm gonna run out to the car to go get the stuff, so I'll be back. All right, so now I'm gonna grab the rest of the stuff out of the car, and we'll head inside to get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ani Sorrells with Century 21 here. Oh wait, sorry, one more time. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my... Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ani Sorrells with Century 21 here. Today we are going to be touring this absolutely fabulous home located in Frisco, Texas. This home is listed for $900,000, 7 bedrooms, 5.5 bath. Super excited to get into it, so let's go ahead and walk in. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the key. So now we're done looking at the Frisco house, and we're gonna go ahead and head over into the Grand Prairie listing. All right, so let's hop in the car and let's get out of here. guys, so we had to switch from camera to phone because we've had so much stuff going on today. But this is the house that I just got finished showing. It's located in Grand Prairie, Lagos area. It is listed for $599,999. And it is a lovely home. So super excited. I kind of just took the time to walk around and show my client a little bit, but yeah, so it was everything. It really was. So we're gonna get ready to hop back in the car and head back to our side of town, and that's gonna be the ending of our day. So let's roll, guys. Woo, y'all. So we finally made it back to the house. It has been an eventful day. To kind of go through some of everything that we did today, we went to go see a house in Irving. We also went to go, we'll actually grab something to eat, brief little intermission in between. And then we went all the way over to Frisco, did a tour in Frisco and a listed episode. And then we traveled all the way to Grand Prairie, Lagos area to do a showing out in Lagos. So and then also drove all the way back to Fort Worth to make it back to the house. So it's been an eventful day. And guys, this is on a Saturday, okay? So it really just depends. Some weekends you're just chilling. Some weekends you end up going from point A all the way to point Z. So that is pretty much a day in the life of me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this. And you guys can always subscribe to be in on the latest and greatest from us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are looking to buy or sell, be sure to comment down below, because I am going to help you make sure that you find your next home or sell your previous home. It's no problem. We can make it happen here. So I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. And until then, bye.